Everybody, Bob at Two Pops breaks. It is Thursday, November the 12th. We're breaking a bomb box full-size helmet. We randomed up our 14 remaining box numbers. We got number 18, random teams on the left. We've already randomized teams, customers, alphabetized everybody, gave them all a chance to trade, but nobody's really trading. We know most of the hits from our checklist. Oh, Jesus Christ, man. Well, I knew when I was coming on today, I literally could have told you what the fuck we were going to end up pulling to screw me, man. Bam! That is going to be the Barrett Favre Hydro F7, everybody. Bam! Has the Favre hologram on it, everyone. I'm going to switch out my cameras because that carbon fiber sort of bleaches out with that light sometimes. Just going to show it on our other camera here real quick. Bam! The Brett Favre Hydro F7 Authentic with the new Favre hologram, folks. All right, who is Green Bay F7, everybody? Well, that's Pat's first hit of the night, or first hit of the series, but he sure made it a big one for himself there. And that random sort of fucked me at the end of the series bad. There's going to be a Pat hits. Guys, let me get my damn camera focusing again. There it goes. Alright, we got a 2, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Alright, well, I got New Lube and Noah, guys. Well, we still got some nice stuff left out there, folks, so I really can't do the next series until we get through this. I wasn't making shit as it was, so that's going to wrap it up, guys. Breakers.tv, YouTube, Facebook. Y'all have a wonderful